In today's video, it's going to be an interesting one because I'm going to be showing you how to make Muthokoi, which is a Kamba traditional recipe, which includes Mbaazi and Muthokoi. So here is how you make Muthokoi. You take the regular dried maize to a posho bin, and then the posho bin removes the outer peel of the maize, and you make Muthokoi. So that is what I'm going to be using today. So I have 1 cup of Muthokoi and 3/4 cups of dried Mbaazi. Transfer to my countertop, and then I'm going to sort, making sure I have very clean Mbaazi. Once done sorting, I'm going to transfer to my big bowl. Combine the Mbaazi together with the Muthokoi, and the ratio should be 2:1. Once done, I'm going to wash and make sure the Mbaazi is clean. So you are going to wash. I'm going to wash until the water is clear, and then I'm going to soak my Muthokoi for around 15 minutes. After soaking for 15 minutes, this is how my Mbaazi and Muthokoi is looking like. I'm going to transfer to a pressure cooker over high flame. Add 2 cups of water, a little bit of salt, and cover. Press down and lock. Boil until the Mbaazi and the Muthokoi is cooked. After 20 minutes, this is how my Muthokoi is looking like. The Mbaazi is well cooked, as you can see. Because my Muthokoi is ready, I'm going to place another pan over medium flame. Add cooking oil. Next, I'm going to be adding in some onions, garlic, and ginger. Cook the onions, garlic, and ginger until soft. Next, add in some carrots. Let the carrots cook together with the onions. I'm going to be adding paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, and salt. Some cumin. Stir in. Add some tomatoes, a little bit of tomato paste, a dash of water so that the tomatoes can fully cook. Make sure when using your pressure cooker you add water above your cereals because they're going to take a while to cook. The aroma in the kitchen is just incredible, and also my tomatoes are almost cooking. So next I'm going to be adding back my Muthokoi to my pan. Just look at that. This looks absolutely delicious. I love that the turmeric has added a little bit of color to my Muthokoi because I didn't add too much. So it's just a mild yellow color. And also the cumin has added some flavor to my Muthokoi. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. Stir in the water and let this simmer on low for around 5 minutes. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to be checking the seasoning to make sure that my Muthokoi is perfect. After 5 minutes, this is how my Muthokoi is looking like. You can see it's turning out very thick. So Muthokoi is not supposed to be soupy. It's just supposed to be a dry fry Muthokoi. So I'm going to garnish with some coriander. Just look at that. I love everything about my Muthokoi because it's looking so delicious. This is for my lunch, and this recipe is for about 3 people. It's been an amazing 30 minutes, and my Muthokoi Mbaazi or pigeon peas is very delicious. Trust me, you have to try out this recipe to understand that this Kamba cuisine is just worth your time.